Yo, good morning. Good morning, Chuck. Channel member, greatly appreciate you. Good morning, Chris. Hold on, let me get everything set up real quick. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How'd everybody do yesterday? Let's see. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. So I ended green yesterday. Took a really bad trade on Roku. Well, actually, it wasn't a bad trade. It didn't go in my favor. We can talk about it real quick because I journaled the whole thing. But basically, with this, I should have just stuck to my own plan. But I completely misread the market yesterday, and took a bad trade on Roku. Made a little bit back on QQQ, and then took a Tesla trade at the end of the day and hardly ended green. Good job, up 85%. Good stuff. But yeah, so everything in the watch list yesterday, I mean, that printed. If you caught any of it, congrats. I unfortunately just did not take the trades. I misread the market with the tick. The tick didn't work out yesterday. It worked out the day before perfectly, so I was waiting for the tick to come back to zero to actually start positions, but at that point the market already tanked a decent bit, so I didn't want to chase. So I missed, what were we watching, AMD, Nvidia, and a few other things. But that Roku trade, I was waiting on that thing all week. You guys know I've talked about it so many times this week, and we finally got the entry on the trade at the trend line, and it just didn't work out. But that's part of trading. The risk reward was there, and I learned not to trade Roku ever again. So yeah, but other than that, like I said, the watch list printed. If you guys took anything off of that, congrats. And yeah, let's make a watch list today. Let me make sure there's no economic news, and I'm gonna have to go turn on the air real quick before my computer overheats and force resets. So today is Friday. We got a lot at 8:30. Retail sales excluding vehicles, import price index, Empire State Manufacturing. Then we have a Fed speaker at 8:45, and then industrial production index at 9:15. Jeez, we got a lot today. But yeah, if you guys could real quick, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 100 people up in here and only 34 likes, so if you guys could click the like button, it would mean the absolute world to me. Give me like a total of 20 seconds to go turn on the air before my computer force restarts, and I will leave you guys with a bing bong. 1 second. Bing bong. There you go. Alrighty, so what computer do I use? No idea. People literally ask me this question all the time. I have no clue what's inside my computer. But let's see. Let's start it off. If you guys took that Euro USD with me, absolutely beautiful. We talked about this, I think multiple times on stream, talked about it on my Twitter, but what was I looking for? That $1 bounce on the Euro futures. And as soon as this thing came down to it yesterday, that was our entry. I even added to the position, and look at Euro USD today. Beautiful. So let's see. Apple's got to crack 150. If it cracks 150, that's when we should see it go. It's just a blue screen with a frowny face. I'm pretty sure it's just because the computer's overheating, but let's see. Let me pull up the Discord to myself. You guys want to know something though? Car horns. These Instagram bots have been terrible recently. Like, I don't know what it is, but the bots on all social medias have been so bad. Daily. There was BRPM news yesterday. This is the stock that's supposed to be doing that FaZe Clan merge. So, I mean, keep an eye on this. This could be the next meme. Maybe Dumpster ends up watching it today because it's got some fresh news. But you guys hear my cat meowing? I don't know why she's doing that. But 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Beautiful. Tesla. Bro, why is my cat meowing like this? Oh, that 4 hour squeeze on Tesla. That's beautiful. All right, let's see. Tesla. I'm gonna see that squeeze fire up. That'd be nasty trade. PFE. Let's see. Still nothing there. We cut those contracts at negative 15-ish%. Apple, the 4 hour squeeze did fire yesterday. Came right up to that trend line for the inverse head and shoulders. Maybe a bounce at 147.57. I really wanted to try to swing Apple. I wanted to snag a butterfly, but that didn't work out. Let's see, but we'll look at Apple, AMD. Again, if you guys could, yeah, I don't know why she's meowing like that. Again, if you guys could though, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 130 people up in here, 67 likes, running up to 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. 30-minute squeeze, AMD, 1 hour squeeze, or not 1 hour, 4 hour. Looking like it wants to try to fire up, so we'll see there. I'll keep an eye on that. Remove. AMD. Baidu. Got destroyed. I really wanted to swing that. CPB. We'll look at Costco. Depending on what happened here. Somebody got a bad fill. We'll look at Costco depending on retail sales. That's gonna be the one I want to go to. Coca-Cola, McDonald's. Still looking for a swing there. I haven't gotten the opportunity. I don't like this constant rejection up here. So I'll still be watching that. Microsoft. China GDP missed. Is that their first or second? We're gonna look at the crypto names. That Mara looks really, really good. Let's see what Microsoft, SFT. I don't care about Roku. TTD. I think TTD came right down to the support, yeah, and bounced yesterday. This might be something that we gotta watch going into next week because I'm still very interested in it. But that's it for the weekly watch list. Let's look at Coin. There's actually a few crypto names we can look at. Coin, I wouldn't be interested unless it broke 53.2 or 54.7. Let's look at the liquidity. Let's see if it broke 54.7, 55 calls. If it broke 53.2, we would have to go with the 53 puts. The 55 calls have the tightest spread. So I'd ideally be interested in the upside on Coin. Then we got Mara. I'm doing good, Jay. How about yourself? Mara broke that 1 hour flag. It still has that 4 hour squeeze. Riot. Of course, Fire Medic. That's my goal with this YouTube. Make it as educational as possible. Let's see, Riot. What about Master? I don't think I've ever traded this thing. I don't even know if there's the liquidity. No, not at all. Good God. Never mind. All right, so then let's pull up this beautiful little squeeze scanner that we got. And let's see, we looked at Apple, that's in a 30-minute squeeze. We looked at AMD, which is in a 15, 30, and a 4-hour squeeze. Amazon, 15, 30, and 4-hour. Really interested above there or below there. Put Amazon on the list. Love me some squeezes. Boeing's in a daily squeeze. You wanna know something? We even talked about this Boeing yesterday making that 61.8% retracement, and it pretty much did. It missed by like, thanks for wait, 4 months. I love it. Thank you, Chris. But we literally talked about that 61.8% retracement. It bounced 14 cents short of the price target and then just ripped. So Boeing's got a weird head and shoulders going on right here. But it's got a nice daily squeeze. I think 150 is going to be a big level. Could look for a possible bounce at 146.34. Boeing, coin, Costco. So depending, damn, Costco ripped. I didn't even see that yesterday. It's coming up to that trend line though. Oh yeah, maybe a nice little denial trade. Let's see, there's only liquidity in the 500 put sell. Okay, so I'm not interested in Costco. Spreads are terrible. Gonna ignore that. Let's see. CRWD, don't care. Chevron, don't care. Delta, we can look at that. Decide to throw that on the list. Let's see, don't really care. GME, still in that daily squeeze. Man, if we would have gotten those butterflies filled, good God, we would have been banking today. Let me see this. Because we were trying to get filled on the 135, 140, and 145s. We couldn't get filled because the spread was kind of wide. And they were at like 40 bucks. Right as of market close yesterday, they are at 1.16. So almost a 200% gain. They're going to be way more this morning because the 135s are in the money, 140s are out of the money. Ah, sheesh. What an L. Oh well. Let's see. But that was a hard denial yesterday. Oh, it was 8:30. Yeah. Hold on. Let me get the numbers. Let's see. Yes. Let's see. Good old tweeter. Hold on. June retail sales. Oh wait, no. Hold on. Waiting for the stuff to drop. I don't trade Pinterest. Retail sales 1% month over month, expectation 0.9%. Retail sales ex auto 1% month over month, expectation 0.7%. Retail sales ex auto and gas 0.7% month over month, expectation 0.1%. And then retail sales control group 0.8%, expectation 0.3%. So it looks like all retail sales beat today. So, and then Italy reported annual inflation of 8% in June, the highest since 1986. But the retail sales beat. So, let's see how the market reacts. Let me just check these real quick. Yeah, Target had a nice little reaction off of it. Wally World, thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Let's see. Maybe Walmart over yesterday's high. Walmart. We'll have to use next week's expiration though. Let's see. Uh-oh. It looks like we're gonna get a 4 or 100 basis point rate hike because a lot of them just moved. Hold on. Let's see. I forget what the website's called. Fed rate hike futures. So apparently the 100 basis points just spiked big time. Hold on, let me get you guys pulled back up. There we go. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 157 people up in here and only 87 likes. So make sure you guys do click that like button. Anyways, yeah, so it looked, oh my God. Yeah, they really moved. So what are we currently at for interest rates? Does anybody know what we're currently at? But they're betting on 100 basis points. Like, this really moved a lot. So we got to be careful with that. We have Fed, I think, what, near the end of the month? So that's going to be important. Those rate hike futures, those are really going to be a leading indicator in this market. And yeah, the fact that those retail sales just made them move like that, no bueno. Anyways, GME, we already looked at that. Meta, we are not at 4.35%. Maybe Meta over or below yesterday's low. Microsoft 30-minute squeeze. We're at 1.58. So if we're at 1.58 and they're expecting us to be anywhere between 2.25 and 2.7%, they're pretty much aiming for 2.5, meaning 100 basis points is going to be priced into the market. Therefore, Powell doesn't want to surprise the market. So what's more than likely going to happen? He's going to hike the rates by 100 basis points. We shall see. That's going to be very interesting. Anyways, we looked at Microsoft already. That's getting clippity clap. Somebody asked about MU. That's on the list. Why'd MU go up overnight like that? Maybe because of that. Let's see, 4-hour daily squeeze. Got a gap from 60, 90. Actually, that gap doesn't look bad. MU, love. Yeah, the market's been really weird. Basically, with this market, good news is bad news, bad news, good news. I don't know why. It's weird, but hey, I just look at the charts. Of course, PayPal is bouncing off 69. I mean, yeah, PayPal, you can watch PayPal. I personally don't like trading it anymore. But yeah, it's squeezing really hard. QQQ's got a nice 1-hour and 4-hour squeeze. Why does it say I have an open position on QQQ? I definitely do not. Sitting there telling me I have the 281 calls. I definitely don't have an open position. It says 0 contracts. I don't know why it's popping up like that. I will tell you though, that 1-hour and 4-hour squeeze looks really good on QQQ. If QQQ can get that momentum and get back up above pre-market highs, we are going to see that squeeze fire up. I will be very interested if we can get that. Let's see, QQQ, don't care about Roku. SPY is in a 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour. Pretty much smacking that 89 EMA on the 1 hour. Again, that gets over pre-market highs. I'll be very interested. SQ is squeezing 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Or not daily, 4 hour. Let's see, don't really care. We looked at Tesla. All right, cool. That is the list for the day. Now we got to narrow it down. Tesla, Apple, AMD, Microsoft, Coin, Amazon, Boeing, Walmart, Meta, MU, and QQQ. Got a lot on the radar today. So real quick, before I start narrowing down the list, in case you guys did not know, my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, has officially been released. If you guys would like to learn more about my trading strategy in this 483-page book, make sure you guys do watch it, or not watch it. Make sure you guys do go cop yourself a copy, because like I said, pretty much everything I know when it comes to trading, threw it in this book right here. And then like I said yesterday, I am taking on 2 people for like a one-to-one mentorship, or actually I'm only taking on 1 more. Somebody's already signed up. So if you guys do want to learn from me personally in a one-to-one setting, make sure to shoot me a DM on Instagram. Like I said, taking 1 more person. Once that person signs up, it's done. Anyways, let's narrow down this list. Tesla. I'm really interested in Tesla to the upside. We get that 718 break, game over. 718.50. Let's see. Not yet. Hopefully soon. Let's see, maybe 0.9. Come on, we're super close. Why can't you just tell me the level? Gotta DM me on Instagram. Let's see, 718.44, 726, 734.26. Any SMAs blocking the way? Uh, 50 SMAs at 726.2. Boom. So we're gonna have a high confluence area right here. Actually, I hit that 50 SMA yesterday. Or not yesterday, 2 days ago. Yeah, that Tesla, that's going on the list. I am very interested in that. If that 4-hour squeeze can fire up, oh boy. I guess we can also watch a put level below 710, take it down to like 700. Let's see, Tesla looking for a break above 718.44 for calls. Price target equals 721.96. $726.18. $734.26. Plus 4-hour squeeze. Favorite setup today. Cool. There's Tesla. I mean, hopefully we can get that squeeze to fire up. Puts below 710.35. All right, there's Tesla. Let's look at that Apple. It looks like Apple might want more. I would have preferred it to stay down here. I never got the entry yesterday, so I'm not gonna chase it. If you guys want, you can watch Apple 149.4, but remember 150 is gonna be a huge level. So let's take Apple off. AMD, love, Microsoft. Maybe. Coin, not interested in. Coin's like a hard one to trade. The level 2 is really whack on it. Did Amazon break? Hardly. Put a question mark. Boeing. And that Boeing doesn't really look bad. I like the squeeze setups a lot though. Let's see what we have next. Walmart. Not my cup of tea, but I'll leave it to Grizzly. I'll probably watch that. Let's see, Meta. Yeah, I would have preferred Meta to the downside. I mean, I'm still gonna keep an alert just in case the market tanks. Keep an alert on Meta below 157.28. Just keep that on watch. MU's not waiting for us, it looks like. Let me see the liquidity. I have to go in next week's calls. MU love, and then I really like QQQ. I don't think Uncle's gonna be here today. Hopefully he is because I kind of want his levels. But QQQ, I will be very interested in this 4-hour squeeze. Very, very interested. Again, real quick, make sure you guys click that like button, please and thank you. QQQ, going to use Uncle's levels. I am loving this 4-hour squeeze setup. Boom. I think it's beautiful. 289.61. All right, so QQQ, Tesla, AMD. It's gonna be a big account day. Besides AMD. Oh baby, we got some room. We got some room, everybody. Let's see, we're looking for the 79.50 break. Could see 80.47. Nothing there, nothing there. Really nothing in between. Let's see, anything on the weekly? Nope. Anything on the monthly? Nope. Anything on the 3-day? Nope. Alrighty. We're gonna get to Amazon. Spoke about that trend line yesterday. Yeah, I mean, I'm very interested in this. 81.2. TTM squeeze basically lets you know when a huge price increase or decrease is going to be coming. That's technically what a squeeze is. Let's see. Nope, we do have a level. One level right there. We're good. I like this. AMD 4-hour squeeze looking to release up, looking for a break of 79.5 for calls. Price target equal 80.23, 80.42, 81.2. You kidding me, AMD? You better figure yourself out. 4-hour squeeze plus 30-minute squeeze. If the market tanks, I'll just look for puts. But as far as what I'm seeing, I personally would like to see the upside today. Again, could be completely wrong. Microsoft. Oh, why are we breaking? I hate that. Really? Did everything just pump? Did everything just break my levels? I'm about to be highly upset. ES, good God. Adios. Adios. Oh yeah, we had 8:45 news. What was it? I don't think anything's about to wait. If Tesla broke that level, I'd be real upset. I'm real upset. I'm real upset. Oh my God. I cannot believe this. Oh my God, are you kidding me? It was looking amazing. And yeah, Apple, that squeeze went. What a morning. What a morning. All right, let's find one more setup. I just look for setups during the day. Actually, did Apple get to 150 yet? No. Look for a reject, 150. That's annoying. Well, I guess we're finding new entry points. About to get like 30 ads in the chat saying that your levels are breaking, your levels are breaking. I mean, we can use 79.75 on AMD. It's just, I would have preferred if it kind of just sat there and waited for us, but damn, I guess not. Anyways, again, real quick, if you guys could, make sure to run up the like button. We need 25 more people for 150 likes. Let's see if anything did not break a level, because that Amazon looked beautiful, and guess what? Gone. Video going, yeah. Yeah, I don't like SQ. But yeah, make sure you guys clicking that like button. In case you guys didn't know, my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, has officially released. So if you guys do want to learn about my overall trading strategy in a 483-page book, you know, make sure to check this bad boy out. And then, like I said earlier, I'm only taking on one more person for a one-to-one mentorship. So if you guys want to hop in that, just shoot me a DM on Instagram. I really don't do one-to-ones anymore, so figured I'd do 2 of them this month. It's going to be a 4-week one-to-one class with me. And yeah, you want more details, shoot me a DM on Instagram. And God, that irritates me that they moved like that. I mean, Tesla really didn't break too bad. We can watch 720 or 719.3 instead. But man, that QQQ. Yikes. Well, 4-hour squeeze fired on Apple. No, it's just because it's a whole psych number. Just because there's a lot of open interest doesn't really mean anything. Just means there's liquidity. But yeah, that Qualcomm doesn't look bad. I have a really big long-term position in Qualcomm. I'm still up. My average cost is like 80 bucks. We had 8:45 news. What was it? Fed speaker. That's all we had. I don't know. Let's see. You think I should be a model? Take that as a compliment. Oh yeah, also the other thing, tomorrow I'm doing a free mentorship class, not like a mentorship class. I'm more so talking about trading psychology. It's going to be on here at 12 o'clock. So if you guys do want to hop in that, feel free to do so. Oh, your wife thinks I should be a model. Well, thank you. Did Walmart break the level? Might be a Walmart day. 128.32. Oh, well. Oh, wait, no, that's Qualcomm. Yeah, Walmart could get rocking. Might have to switch to that. But yeah, make sure you guys join tomorrow, 12 o'clock. And yeah, I talk about the TTM squeeze in my book. So let's see. All right, I'm gonna send you guys the watch list. Watch Walmart over 128.32. That looks interesting. Tesla's kind of sitting at that level, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna drop the levels that I'm still watching in the chat. The market just absolutely ripped, so obviously it's gonna be a little higher risk, but all we're gonna do is, you know, wait for A+ setups. And guess what? If I'm not given an A+ setup today, I will simply not take a trade. It's that simple. But I would like to see a nice little pullback at the market open. Maybe orbs and bounces are going to be the move today. So I will be watching that. And I got an @ in the chat. Let's see. 150 psych number. Anyways, but yeah, trade safe today. Yeah, 12 p.m. Eastern time. Trade safe today. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to cop the ebook. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. And remember, if you guys want to hop in the mentorship, just DM me on Instagram. Other than that, everybody stay safe. None of this is financial advice. So yeah, make sure you guys do your own due diligence, because options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. Other than that, everybody stay safe today. If you guys are in Team Bull, I will talk to you guys in like